Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you start boxing? Boxing is more than just a sport. It's a pathway to unparalleled fitness and personal growth. Today, we dive into the transformative journey of boxing and how it reshapes not just your body, but your entire life. Number 1. Cardiovascular Fitness. Boxing is an excellent cardiovascular workout that enhances heart health by improving cardiac output and stroke volume. Regular boxing sessions lead to better cholesterol levels, weight management, and lower blood pressure, significantly reducing the risk of heart disease. The sport also boosts overall circulation, aiding muscle recovery and increasing endurance. The high-intensity nature of boxing training gets your heart pumping and boosts your cardiovascular health, enhancing your stamina and overall fitness levels. Number 2. Full body workout. Boxing is a comprehensive workout that effectively targets various parts of your body. When you throw punches, your arms and shoulders get a great workout, helping to tone and strengthen these muscles. At the same time, your core muscles like your abs and lower back are constantly engaged to stabilize your body and support your movements, which enhances your overall strength and stability. Additionally, the footwork required in boxing isn't just about moving your feet. It plays a crucial role in strengthening your legs. This not only improves your muscle tone, but also boosts your balance and agility, making you more adept at quick movements and changes in direction. Number 3. Increase endurance and stamina. Boxing is an excellent workout for boosting endurance and stamina because it combines high-intensity activities that challenge your cardiovascular system. When you participate in boxing, you engage in various exercises like punching drills, sparring, and other cardio workouts. These activities increase your heart rate and push your body to work harder, which in turn strengthens your heart and lungs. Over time, this makes your cardiovascular system more efficient at pumping oxygen to your muscles, allowing you to perform physical activities for longer durations without getting tired quickly. So, if you're looking to boost your endurance and stamina, boxing might just be the perfect workout to take your fitness to the next level. Number 4. Stress relief. Boxing is a powerful stress reliever because it allows you to physically express and release tension. When you punch a heavy bag or engage in sparring, you're doing more than just exercising your body. You're also letting out stress in a controlled and safe way. This process can help clear your mind, making you feel more relaxed and mentally refreshed. Essentially, boxing provides a unique combination of physical activity and mental focus, helping to reduce anxiety and improve your overall sense of well-being. Number 5. Improved coordination. Boxing requires precise movements and footwork, which can enhance your hand-eye coordination, balance, and overall body control. Engaging in boxing training is a fantastic way to improve your coordination and enhance your overall body control. The precise movements and footwork involved in boxing require a high level of hand-eye coordination, balance, and agility. As you practice punching combinations, defensive maneuvers, and footwork drills, you'll gradually sharpen your reflexes and fine-tune your motor skills. Over time, this can lead to improved coordination, better balance, and enhanced overall body awareness. Overall, while boxing offers a wide range of physical and mental benefits, it's essential to approach the sport with caution, proper training, and safety measures in place to minimize the potential risks associated with it. Consulting with a qualified coach, following proper technique, and prioritizing safety can help you enjoy the many advantages of boxing while minimizing the likelihood of harm. If you're intrigued by the challenge and rewards of boxing, subscribe for more insights and tips. Share your boxing journey or aspirations in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story.